So one of my most requested experiments is, can you pop popcorn inside of resin? So I raided the kitchen cupboard and I found myself some kernels. So the plan for this one is going to be quite easy. We just need to know if this kernel will pop from the heat that's generated during the curing process of the resin. So I've gone ahead and already poured myself a base layer, so all I have to do now is pop a couple of these kernels on top, pour some resin, and we'll see what happens. What do you reckon, Jake? Should we do 2 or 3?
I reckon we'll do 3.
Alright. Since we need to generate a little bit of heat for this one, I'm going to go ahead and use some arc cast. We'll just try and get these a bit more in the middle, and then we'll go pop it in the pressure pot. While that's in the pot curing, we need to start work on our second blank. Now I have a feeling that those kernels may not pop from the heat from the resin, so just in case they don't, I've made some other castings with some voids inside. So all we have to do is pop some kernels in and glue these together. I think this one's going to be our best chance of having these kernels pop, so I reckon we go with 3 again, that way when they do, this void's going to be cram-packed full of popcorn. So now that our blank's all glued, the next thing we need to do is put this on the lathe and turn it down. That way we'll have a nice view when we put this in the microwave. So it's now time for Jake and I to pull this casting out of the pot. Now you guys have already seen what happened, but we have no idea. What do you think's going to happen?
Honestly, I reckon nothing's happened, but can't wait to find out.
Me too. I don't think anything's happened either. Are you ready?
Go.
Well, just as we thought, nothing. Stayed exactly the same. Well, I guess we can still put this in the microwave and see if we can get something to happen. Well, it's now the moment we've all been waiting for. Will these guys pop?
In the microwave.
Alright, Jake, what do you think's going to happen? Do you think we'll even get a little split out of these?
Nah, I don't reckon anything's gonna happen.
Well, that's a minute. We've got nothing so far. What do you think, Jake? How long should we go for?
Oh, keep it on for at least.
Whoa!
Oh, there we go.
Well, we got some action. Oh, and we're smoking. Oh,
You can smell the popcorn.
I can smell popcorn. Oh, wow. That smells great. Alright, let's shut it down there. I don't know if you guys can hear that, but it's making some wicked noises. Well, I didn't expect that. We had one kernel fully explode, cracking the resin. We started to burn the second one, the third one not so much, but I just can't believe there was enough force to split this. Check out how cool this explosion looks. Well, after seeing how much damage one kernel can cause, I can't wait to see what happens with the three in the void. Alright, Jake, after seeing that last one, surely these are going to pop straight away.
Oh, definitely.
That's 30 seconds. I see smoke. It's smoking in there. Oi. There's a minute. Oh.
Oh.
Alright, I'm going to shut it down. Well, can you believe that? 3 kernels absolutely blew this thing apart.
I know, right? Who would have thought popcorn would have had this much force?
I know, it's bloody crazy. Well, that's it for this week's episode. I hope you enjoyed this one.
We had heaps of fun doing it.
Now, if you want to see Jake in any future episodes, let us know by hitting the like button.
Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you next time.